The ship's sinking and the captain's asleep. I've been steady drinking since New Year's Eve. I got a whole lot of nothing, but it's all for me. Saving my pennies for the lottery. I'm a king bee, baby, don't take no job. And I go buzz, buzz all around your high. And that's just cause I was born to die. And it's with much love that I say goodbye. I saw the catch-22 with the Colt 45 when the rent's due and there's nowhere to hide. So where did you go when your soul is rotten? I'ma get high till I hit rock bottom. All or nada. Through hell or hot water, you gotta do what I gotta. I'ma get high till I hit rock bottom. All or nada. Through hell or hot water, gotta do what I gotta. I'ma get high till I hit rock bottom. And the Pope is dead. Should I save the day you hit the Opes instead? I stayed loyal to the foil. Burnt Reynolds, making the ladies of the 80s just tremble. Bitch, you can't get close to me and my Ferrari Testarossa. Nowadays they shave that chocha. Strict regimen of cigarettes and soda. And I ain't even talking about cola. I freak hoes like a cop meets quota. What do you do when you been forgotten? I'ma stay high till I hit rock bottom.